Dear students, today we are going to see e-commerce applications. This subject is for MBA semester 2 and we are already seen in semester 1 various concepts of business. Master of Business Administration is the course which is having many concepts related with business, their performance of business, how businesses are done. In order to continue with this concept, this subject is e-commerce. Now we will be seeing in this session, the outline of this session will be, you will be coming to know how the commerce is used now to perform various sales and purchases of goods, products or services by the means of advanced technology like internet. So in short, in this session we are going to see how e-commerce is applicable for businesses. We already seen how businesses are performing their activities, what are the roles of business. So in this area, they making use of advanced technology for doing business activities like sale, purchase and financial transactions is must to get benefit of your business. So e-commerce is a activity done through electronic media of all business activities like sales of product, sales of service or any type of sale in that matter. Even purchase will be done through e-commerce media. So in this area, every day, every hour, there is new technology coming up. So in order to do this activity in terms of advancement, many industries, many companies have set up electronic data processing departments, that is called EDP, which looks after the requirements of advanced technologies of internet, computer devices, networking, ERP packages, and they are making use of smartphones, tablets, and laptops for various activities of the business. What is the concept of e-commerce? The concept of e-commerce is not new now. It's already existing in the business. Everyone is aware of taking purchase from their smartphones. Delivery boy knows how to take the payment from consignment if it is delivered at the house. Even if a layman knows how to order his or any item from internet. So this is the status of IT awareness in society. So if you say e-commerce is new business, here it's not new, but there are generations now. Now we are seeing 90% activities performed on internet. We'll take one example. We'll see how the e-commerce is done. So there are these different concepts of e-commerce. Like if two customers are selling and purchasing any product or service, they are called C2C. That means customer to customer. Customer to customer is a mode of e-commerce where two customers, independent of their uh, existence or any other business, they sell their product and a buyer takes from the customer. OLX is one of the best example of having C2C mode of e-commerce. Second is business to customer. This is maximum in society. Any business sells its products to customers. For example, automobile, even hotels, any hotel, if you go there, you eat and then you pay to the hoteliers. So any business, it sells its product service to customer, that is B2C. Next is business to business. Now that particular business will not sell directly to customer, but they will have dealers, retailers, and they will supply to other business. For example, Telco may supply its products to Bajaj. Bajaj may have its own dealer where they are taking their certain services from some other company. It can be from India or from outside. So two businesses, if they are performing their business activities, it is called B2B. So in short, C2C, B2C and B2B. These are the basic concepts related to e-commerce activities. Now we will see what are the basic technologies and backbone of e-commerce. As you know, infrastructure is first requirement. Like even if it starts with electricity, there must be reliable electricity. If you are having a server and if there is no electricity, You cannot keep the server off for a day. So basic infrastructure starts with reliable electricity, uninterrupted power supply. You cannot make the voltage more or less because the data may get corrupt. So reliable and uninterrupted power supply is must for getting e-commerce activities more efficiently done. Second is your hardware. Hardware involves your network devices. It requires many machines, clients, servers, even devices like printers, your network devices like network connectivity devices like hub, switch, gateway, routers and routers. There cannot be only devices. There must be someone who is providing you some account for internet use. For example, Airtel, Idea, BSNL, they are called as ISPs, Internet Service Providers. You have to apply to them for a package of particular month or a year, and then you have to pay as per their plans. So once you get all those things, and if you have your own software developers, you can develop your own website or platform or even app, and then put all your business activities on the net in the form of web portals. The customers will be going to this, and they will have their own way of manual by which customer will be ordering your products. So once you get a platform, you will have to maintain it by the means of updating the softwares, giving various links, putting your security at your web portals, and then making of such. For example, all the banks now have their own apps. Through these apps, we can even sell, or even can do transactions of banking, like you can deposit amount, transfer amount, or withdraw from any ATMs, or you can transfer from one mobile to another mobile. In the background, there will be account number of particular customer. So this is a subject which is of future. So in this topic, we are going to see how websites can be developed, what is the platform required, what is the language you will be using, and how that can be implemented for particular area of business. So e-commerce nowadays will require high-speed data connectivity. Nowadays, government is doing a lot of investment in raising the towers, sending the satellites. Our friendly countries, with their help from scientists, we send the satellites which are useful for getting high speed bandwidth data. Nowadays we have so many HD high definition channels. So this will again give benefit to the business performance of performing various business activities. Previously it was not possible. You may have hardware, software, but if there is no speed, if there is no bandwidth, your transaction may not get complete. So there has to be someone like local government, state government, central government, or even worldwide organizations who are involved in giving us such facilities in minimum cost. Because if the cost is more, again the business may switch from e-commerce to traditional business. Now the cost of storing the data is reduced a lot. You can store a lot of data in the form of cloud. You can store your images, videos, and you can stream, and you can see various plans which a business organization is offering to the customers. Now we will be seeing a different aspect how the payments will be done. Payment can be done through cards like credit cards, debit cards, or even smart cards. You can do the payment through online portals. So this topic of payments will be again having one separate chapter. So in short, there will be some medium where you are going to send your financing transaction through a device. Nowadays, this is also very common. There are so many UPI apps, BHIM apps central government has given for customers. There are so many cards available of banking, and there is merging of banks so that you don't have to make many changes in the software to transfer from one bank to another bank. Now it's made universal. There will be transaction from one organization to another organization. So this topic we'll see in the next session. But today, in short, to summarize, we have seen how e-commerce is useful for organization, how e-commerce is performed, what are the benefits of e-commerce, and how e-commerce will be the future of business. So I again take this opportunity to thank for listening this session very patiently, and see you in the next sessions. Thank you.